Jingle bells, jingle all the way. It is lots of fun when you are hanging out with Clay. What's up, everybody? It's Cuzzo. That is right. It's the Cuzzo for a Cause campaign once again, Christmas season. So make sure you throw some coin up in the bucket to the right. You know, they make dollar coins now. And we're Canadian, so we got $2 coins now. Shit, we alright. Hook a brother up. Don't be a hater. We celebrate all holidays, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah. Everybody is equal opportunity. Just pitch a coin up in there. I know you're probably wondering, you're like, so what is the cause? And there's many causes, but the main one is because I'm broke. It's Christmas. Hook a brother up. Merry Christmas, Joy X Noel, Feliz Navidad, all of that. Peace out.